quick update to the auxiliary belt. Forgot to mention that you will need also the pliers, which are kind of longer than normal, to put and a bit of wire, which is 3 millimeters, could be actually even 4, but this one is 3 millimeters and did the job. And the pliers and 2 people. So to summarize, you need 17 mils, which is no more than 42 millimeters wide, and it cannot be actually long. It can be the ratchet, or because if you have like too long one, it will not fit. You will have to unmount the brake fluid container and without it you need actually short one. Sometimes you need to move it around because it's not much movement. And yeah, those pliers, 2 people, and then you can change this belt without even lifting a car and doing anything.